So my name is Jeanette Tate, and I'm the IDS Product Manager and Business Development Manager. And just a quick agenda. This is what we're going to talk about today. I'm just going to do a quick introduction of what IDS offer and what's our core value. And then I'm going to do a quick introduction of the Taiwan Clean Room. Then we're going to go into the product roadmap. This year we add a lot of good products, and we're very excited, and we can see that we're getting a lot of good feedback on the additional products that we added for IDK 1000, 2000, IDS 3000 series. Last year we only have open frame, but this year we added quite a few of the panel mount monitor, and we receiving really good feedback on both the open frame and the panel mount monitors. And then we also phased out our old DSD 3000 models from 32 to 55 inches. We add the new products in the earlier first quarter this year. All our new DSD 3000 monitor or digital signage displays were introduced, and I'll go into a little bit details about the new models. How is it different from the previous models? Then DSD 5000. This is our newest families on the digital signage products, and it's the stretch displays. So, but we received so much overwhelming responses on the DSD 5000. So we're very excited and very hopeful about this product. And then everybody knows that we last year, second half last year, so we introduced that we're going to have a new clean room built in the North America, Milpitas location. So I'm going to go over that a little bit because the new facility, the clean room, we started to use that earlier this year already, and we have assembled some sample and pilot run products here, and hopefully we'll continue to receive the support from everybody and use this North America clean room more and more, and then we can add more features of what we can do in North America here. The two new products that we introduced using the North America LC Lab. One is the CIDK product, and I'll go over that a little bit. How we try to distinguish the difference between the CIDK products and our IDK 1000, which was assembled and manufactured in our Taiwan facility. How we're going to make the two product lines distinguish, and so we won't have overlapping on product offerings there. And then, of course, we have our gaming monitors, and hopefully that will continue to promote that and help us get into more gaming market segments. Okay, and then we just a couple of slides talking about the LCD and touchscreen ecosystem alliances. Okay, so what do IDS offer? So IDS stands for Intelligent Display Solution. Used to be in industrial display solutions, but the management think that intelligent display solution sounds better, so we'll switch that over to intelligent. And what do we offer? Basically, we offer a complete product offering or complete product lines, which is we have standard and high brightness LCD kits, which is what we talked about, IDK 1000 and 2000. And so we offer open frame monitors and panel mount monitors, the IDS 3000 series, and digital signage displays, the DSD 3000 series, and the stretch displays, the DSD 5000 series. And we try to use all the leading technologies for our high brightness. In our Taiwan facility, we can do optical bonding, and on the touch integrations, we always keep our eyes open on the newest touch technology out there, and continue to offer the best and the trends where the market is showing us on the touch market, and we wanted to make sure that we continue to offer products that it's in demand or required by the market and by the customer. And we are very flexible because since we're not panel manufacturer, we're not touchscreen manufacturer, so the advantage of that is that we can be very flexible. So we continue to increase our ecosystem alliance by adding more LCD panels and adding more touchscreen alliances. And the main goal is that to provide qualified vendors that are consistent in their product quality, and continue to see that the market trends, and to continue to be more, offer more and more varieties for our customers that fits their requirements. Okay, so the core values of IDS. Since we're not the manufacturer, so we wanted to really focus on our core value, what we can do for our customer. So the value that we have to offer to our partners, our channels, and eventually the customers is we do in-house process, and everybody has a lot of confidence in our quality control for our SPC board and our box PC. So Advantech is known for our ISO and consistency of our qualities and longevity support, and that's the same value that we want to bring to our display customers. So we do in-house process, and we like to make it a one-stop shopping for our customer, so that when they come to us for their system requirements, they can just buy our LCD kits or buy our monitors here, and then they only have one vendor to deal with. And if there's any quality issues, they just need to talk with them instead of talking to 2 or 3 different vendors. And again, we extended our high quality assurance of our system controls over to our panel control. Okay, and we try to offer fully customization products. And again, what that means is that we offer touchscreen integrations, we offer optical bondings and AR or surface laminations, different requirements that the customer has, and we try to be very mindful when we introduce new products that we have the longevity support in mind, because we've been working in the industrial market for so long, so we know that our customers, once it takes a long time of designing. The average cycle of designing is probably 9 months to a year and a half, so 15 months, 9 months to 15 months. And once they design in, that we wanted to make sure that they have at least 1 to 2 year product life cycle. So our goal on the display end is to provide a minimum 3 years product life cycle for our customer. And also that we have the co-work knowledge and technique that our engineering team can bring to the table for our customer. So we, our engineering and the field sales team, and of course the product management team, what we try to do is that we start from the project evaluation, and then we suggest a solution for our customer and provide the pilot run. And then once the pilot runs, it's approved, then we move into the mass productions and to continue to support our partners with the after service of the projects. Okay, so this is the quick overview of our Taiwan facility and capability. In our Taiwan clean room, it's approximately about 3,000 square feet. Here we had it in square meter, but it's approximately 3,000 square feet. And it's class 10,000 clean room, and with the class 1,000 clean bench. The maximum capacity is 30,000 pieces a month, and we haven't reached that capacity yet, or the maximum, realized the maximum capacity, but with our partners' help, that we're actually growing quite a bit from last year to this year. So I'd say that we're seeing probably about a 50% growth on our display products. So we're very excited about that, and so we'll continue to, hopefully we'll continue to grow and grow into this maximum capacity, and then we have to enlarge our clean room. Okay. There you go. So the IDS LCM Laboratory Services, what can we do? We do optical bonding, we do touchscreen integration, and we do backlight enhancements up to the center products up to 1,200 nits, and I'll go into that a little bit more in the later slides. The semi-readability solution basically is just the surface treatments. So some panels that they don't need that high of a brightness. Maybe the panel itself has 600 nits, 700 nits, but they just wanted to have a better contrast under the direct sunlight, and we can do air illumination to make the units readable under the sun. Okay, and the stretch display solutions, our standard products is 28 and 38 inches, 2 models, and they are complete display models. But at the same time, we can also offer cut LCD, and we can do a 1/3 cut or 2/3 cut. Depends on the what is required, and also how many gate IC was involved, and then we can decide what is the best cut for the requirements. So that, keep that in mind. If you have any customization that's required cut LCDs, then we can do that. We can offer that as well. The only drawback is that the minimum quantity is 1,000 pieces once it goes into MT. Okay, we have equipment to be able to do panel repair, and what that means is that we can remove the scratch polarizer. We can, even if we have the IC components on some of the older products, we can even do IC bonding. So our LC lab in Taiwan, it's quite equipped to handle all the LCD required services. Okay, this is just a quick overview of all the equipments that we use for to do the services that we have offered. Okay, so a full range of products and solutions, and again, as I mentioned, we have the LCD kits. The IDK 1000 series is the standard brightness we offer from 5.7 to 21.5, and IDK 2000 is our standard readable solutions. And actually, this information is a little bit outdated. It's 8.4 to 21.5, not 31.5. We used to have a 31.5, but we have not received too much demand. So lately, we discontinued the 31.5, and I'll go over that a little bit more in details when we move into the product roadmap. Okay, on the IDS 3000 series, the open frame monitors and the panel mount monitor, we offer from 6.5 to 21.5. And the DSD 5000 and DSD 3000 series, as you can see here, digital signage displays. Okay, so go into details on the IDK products and each product categories now. The IDK 1000, it's 5.7 to 21.5, standard brightness. Average brightness is about 350 nits to 450 nits. That's the average brightness that we offer on our IDK 1000 series. It comes with standard resistive 4-wire and 5-wire touch. We can offer upgrade to PCAP touch and capacitive touch, and sometimes IR touch if the project required, but the standard upgrade is PCAP touch. Touch controller, as everybody knows that in the past we use different touch controller, and it creates quite a bit of confusion when it comes to Army services. So what we have done earlier this year is that we standardize all of our resistive touch controller to the ETM series, which I made the announcements earlier this year of the phase out of some of the old IDK products that has used the old ETI touch controller and move into the new ETI, the ETM series touch controller. If you guys need more details on this touch controller, please let us know and let your field sales engineer know, and I can pass the data sheet to them so you can study that a little bit of this touch controller. The warranty, we offer standard 2-year warranty. We can extend warranty on a project by project basis. Just let us know, and then we'll come up with a proposal on the extended warranty for you. Otherwise, the standard warranty is 2 years. Compatibility. So all of our IDK, if it's on our product roadmap, it has already been tested with our PCM AIMB and MIO series. So they're fully compatible. We have a mapping table that offers the LVDS cables and LED cable on all the IDK products for the PCM AIMB and MIO board. So just when you order the SPC plus the IDK display, just remind your field sales the LVDS cable and the LED cable if you guys need it, and then they can find it or come to the product management team or the application engineering team to get the right cable part number for you guys to order. Okay, quick roadmap. Right now we have 5.7. Oops, sorry, 5.7, 6.5. Both are NP status right now. The IDK 1105 was just phased in, let's see, a month ago to replace our IDK 057R, which we just announced EOL, and we actually the 5.7 is really selling really good. The IDK 1105 is fully compatible with the IDK 057. What I mean by that is mechanically compatible. It's a little bit thicker, but only like 0.06 millimeters thicker, so it's not much impact to the customers. The touch controller, we moved to the ETM touch controller, the new one, but the driver support it's the same because the previous driver IC is also ETI, so there's no impact on the touch driver support. The connector though, it's a little bit different. So if you guys have any questions on that, just let your field sales people know again, and we can provide the detailed comparison charts and information and samples available to order for testing purpose. So just let us know. The IDK 1108 is an 8.4 800 by 600 4x3 product lines. IDK 110 10.4 800 by 600, and again it's 4x3. The IDK 1107W and the 1110W, these are the two newest small size panel IDK kit, and it's 16 by 9 Y aspect ratio. So the IDK 1107, we have two resolution, 1024 by 600 and 1280 by, I'm sorry, 800 by 480 and 1024 by 600. The other resolution was not listed in the product roadmap here. So these, and then the 1110 is 1024 by 600. Both are very well received, and we have so since its introduction, we have such a well request and demand. So we can see that the trends of the LCD panels of the small size is moving to the Y aspect ratio. But let's move into the next slide. Okay, on the mid size, we still have our 15 inches 1024 by 768 4x3, and we have it with 5-wire resistive touch and with PCAP touch. These are standard products. Okay, the IDK 1112 again is 4x3 800 by 600 with 5-wire resistive touch, and we also are moving into the XGA model. So the trend of the market also is moving up to a higher resolution, and we'll continue to introduce more higher resolution products in the market. Okay, and we have the standard 17 inches. Sorry, it's missing on the roadmap, but we have a standard 17 inches IDK 1117 and the 19 inches. Both are 1280 by 1024 4x3 aspect ratio. IDK 1121, the 21.5, which actually will be NP this month. So it's 300 nits with 5-wire resistive touch. All of our IDK products can be upgraded to PCAP touch.